A2 Key for Schools is the next step in a learner's language journey after our qualifications for young learners. It's also a good place for older students to start learning English too. At A2 Key for Schools level, learners can start having conversations with English speakers, which builds their confidence step by step. Students will be able to ask for directions or talk about their favourite subject at school. Mary, which subject at school do you like the most?
My favorite subject at school is art because I like painting.
They can also answer questions and talk about what they like doing. Hi Peter, would you like to go to the cinema?
Yes, I love to go to the cinema.
After taking A2 Key for Schools, students can go on to improve their fluency by preparing for B1 Preliminary for Schools. At this level, students are able to start watching TV in English and can read articles in magazines.
My favorite program is on at 6 p.m.
Cambridge English qualifications help students develop their English language skills step by step. They help learners prove their skills to the world and lay the foundations for their future success.